Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Technical Mahi. Today we will discuss about the how to increase our internal storage without any uninstalling of other apps. So first of all you have to go in your setting. When you are going to the setting, you have to the search storage in your setting. So friends, say here storage is the one options in your setting. Just we will click here. We will discuss to 32 GB total in our system storage. Out of 30 GB available is the 4.08 GB available in my device, and we have to see here apps and data. All of the non-system storage which is you are going to the enabled of that data, which is here is the cached data is the very unwanted data which is not used in your device. He is taken a storage of 1.3 GB available. You have to see last second cached data. Cached data, it is the unwanted data which is the unused for the ourselves. This is the all of the systems, all of the devices you have to present the cached data which is not used, but he is the taken the storage of your device. So just we have to clear this data. I'll show again back how to search this. You have to go there setting and you have to search the storage in your setting. I have found the storage, and after that you have to 20 or 30 seconds you have to wait that, and he is calculating the all about the data in your devices. So let's get started. Our cached data is calculated 1.3 GB cached data which is the unwanted. So just we have to click cached data. I want to clear the cached data which you have to see 4.07 GB available in my devices. I am not going to the false. We have to trying to frequent and relevant information in our YouTube channel. So just you have to click the cached data, and this will clear cached data for all apps. All apps the cached data is cleared automatically, and you have to see 1 minute. I will see you in our clear. I will show my internal storage of my devices. I'll show you what is the how many devices. 4.04 storage is available in my devices. So just we are going again in the setting. After that storage, he is calculating, and after that click the cached data, and then you will see how many data I have available in my devices. Just difference in the 0.3 available, 4.03 available, or 0.7, 0.8, and not for more differences. And cached data you have to click here, and this will clear cached data for all apps. Then click OK, and you will see after that. Just a second. He is again calculating, and you have to look available data is the available storage is the 5.37 GB in our devices. Out of 32 GB available is the 5.37 GB available. Just you have to see cached data is the 0.00 B, not for any. You have to again clear, not for make difference about that. All about everything that he is calculating, and he is over, and you have to go again cleared and clear here. Just you have to see total 32 GB, 5.36 GB available in my devices. So friends, today is the information is this how to increase our internal storage. So friends, when you like this video, then subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, and don't forget to share with your friends, which we have to know. Thank you.